Would you like to have a professional React template for your business to rebrand your business, or you can use this template for real clients? So I have designed this using React.js with the Tailwind CSS. So I have designed this for security. Look at this is designed for security company, but you can use it for any other business that you choose. Just change the images in text, so you will design it for any other business. So we have used, as I said, React.js, Tailwind CSS, and for the animation we have used Framer Motion. Let's go and walk through this template. I will show you all the parts of this template, and just watch video until the end. You will understand how to access this template, and you can use for your business or real clients. First of all, we have homepage. Okay, we have different pages like home, services pages, industries pages, areas we serve pages, careers, about, and contact. So at the top we have navbar. Look at this is a navbar, and this is a fully responsive. Look at fully responsive. So let's click here, and here we can go to any other like service and arm guard. So we have just come here, so you can just change the images. Coming back to home page. Okay, the home page. This was navbar, and this was responsive. Down from that we have why choose as this section, the second section. The third section is our services that we provide, like armed guard, unarmed, and patrol services. By pressing this button you will move to that page. Our clients, what our client says, like this Slicker, that I think I used Slicker for this client, say cards. Industries that we saw, like retail security, construction site security, warehouse security, different securities. When you press this, so it will move to that page. Just come here to hire. Yeah, this is request a quote, a contact forum, and here hire professional, and here areas we serve. These are the cities that we saw. By pressing this, it will move to that city. Frequently asked question, like this is fact, and here not answered, so you can just email us or dial our number. This is just an example that I showed you. These are like questions. Brands and footer. Look at the footer, very beautiful footer that we have here. We have the cities and quick links and services that we have. So it was all about the home page. Now let's move to the services. So the services has the same template as like top, down, and here we have a sidebar, different industries we serve, like unarmed guards. So it will move to unarmed guard like this, and also for the patrol. Coming to the industries, we have different industries. Just come here, like here sidebar, different design. Come here to get it community, get it security. Come here to area we serve, like Albany. Just come here in New York. New York, this is, I have selected, yeah, New York. Carriers, if you have jobs, you can use this page, like the people can select, can submit a form, and they can enter all the information in this form. You will receive it through email, so then you can decide and contact them. This is all about the carriers. Come here to the about section. This is all about the about page and the contact page. You can design it like this. So this is live on Versal. Look at this is Versal security template.versal.app. So you can watch it and check this template. The link is in the description. How to run this project? Okay, whenever you run it, so I have, whenever you just receive the code, I have the zip file, I have the readme file. In that file, I explained everything that you need. Okay, to run this project, simply just open the code in editor. One thing I forgot, that is for handling, just come here to home page. For handling this contact forum or carriers forum, I have PHP script. You will receive the PHP script also if you would like to host it. So the PHP works on all hosting, so you can use that PHP script to send emails also for both forums. This is here we have components and pages, areas, pages, industry, services, about, contact, home, all these pages that you have. Simply when you just receive the code, first of all you will run npm install, then you can just run npm run due to run this app by running npm run build, so you can build this project and host it. So this is a real template that you can use for your business, or you can use for a real client. So it was all about this template. So if you like this video and you want the source code link is in the description. You can receive the source code through that link, because I spent months on this design and also writing code for this. So it is paid. You just have a link, you can buy it from there, then you can resell it or use for your business, use for your projects also. So it was all about for this. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. But those who want the code, if you want it, just comment down, so I will record a video on this, how to make this template. Okay, if there were comments on my video, so then I will make a video on how to build this project, this template.